My name is Brent Lura, and this is the Lura Adjustable Curb Runner. The Adjustable Curb Runner, which works great when running off of an existing curb. It allows you to adjust in 1/8 inch increments to whatever height you need, all the way up to 2 feet. What you do is you'll take a 9/16 inch wrench and you'll loosen this bolt here. This will allow the arm to adjust in 1/8 inch increments, either up or down, from completely flat to down to 2 feet if needed. This whole setup is to show what it would be like. This has a 2-foot tube on here now, but you could have any length of tube that you needed. This just shows the whole setup. These rollers are also adjustable. They allow you to go ahead and move out if there happens to be a stem wall, happens to be some bolts on top of the wall you're running off of. These can be moved as well. And then you would just hook your pulling handle up to the pulling eye here. So the non-motor guy would be pulling from here, and then the motor would be pulling from here. This is one of our most popular accessories that we have, and the reason for that being is you can reduce the amount of time, effort, and money used to place your forms. And so if you've got an existing curb already, you can just go right off of that and adjust to any height. For more information on the Adjustable Curb Runner, give us a call today at 701-281-8989, and you can talk to me.